Here's what's next on Project C10. All right, I want to talk to you a little bit about our vintage air system that we put on Project C10. It's a really good kit, comes specifically for the 65 C10, that body style pickup truck. So what we did was we got rid of the old heat only system that we had. When we got this truck, all it had was heat, and it wasn't even on the dash. You actually had to reach under the dash, flip a knob to be able to turn the heat on, and then you've got little air vents on the side. That was your air conditioning, and it was just fresh air that came in and blew on your feet. So we wanted to have something that was a lot more compact, that worked a whole lot better. So we've got a heat and air vintage air system that can do both. It comes in one unit, goes underneath the dash. You do have some modifications to do, but as long as you follow the instructions, it all works out very well. And now runs off of R134. And now what we can do with the system is you can have the windows up in the middle of summer, no problem. I have the air full blown, and also you got plenty of heat. The kit comes with all the duct work, the vents and everything. We painted ours to match with the dash. So it's a real clean look, and I would highly recommend it.
All right, so we've had a busy few days here, trying to get up to speed. A lot of work being done, and now we're somewhat on a tighter time frame for our reveal.
Right.
But kind of lead us to where we are and what's kind of happened in the days prior.
Last probably 3 weeks, 4 weeks, we've got all the wiring pretty much buttoned up. The only thing left is just putting fittings on for like the taillights, headlights, and all. It's really just the lights are the only thing, and then the power windows.
Right.
I do have the wires run through the A-pillar and out, but we got to mount the door to line up the holes before. I don't want to just guess or even measure and try to get the accuracy right. I want the door up there, take the grommet and get it exact before we drill a hole through the door and
Sure.
then run the wire. So it's not a big deal, but it does mean putting the doors on and off one more time.
Right.
But that's what we'll end up doing. We'll get that and go from the doors to the fenders to the whole front end, everything but the hood, and the hood will be the last piece that gets dropped down on there.
Okay. We got a lot more coming up. Stay tuned.